How to fix Instagram try again where restricted certain problem or activity. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone, and after you open the settings page you will find here many options. Go to the apps and then go to apps here in the top. Scroll down until you find the Instagram and then click on it, and then click on this power usage details. Make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled, and then go down here, click on this force stop here, go back, click on storage, click here on clear data, and then go back. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.